Hi beauties, welcome back to Wendy's World. So I shot a video a couple of weeks ago, and that's probably why you're coming to this one. So it has to do with the Beverly Hills MD Rapid Lift Neck Serum, as well as the Beverly Hills MD Dermal Repair Complex. Now, I have 3 of these jars, which means it's 3 months. It's 60 pills per jar. And I have 2 of these, which is right here. I have used up all of this one, which means it took me 3 weeks to use this up. I have been using this product for 3 weeks now. Today is now June 25th. I started applying this, I'd say May 30th, so it's a little over 3 weeks. Now, they say for this particular serum, which is actually a cream, you will need to apply it twice a day. Well, I didn't want to apply it twice a day, and I'm going to tell you why. When you apply this cream on your face, it gives a bit of a shine, but it's kind of almost like a shine that you would receive when you did your makeup powder. So it's sort of an iridescent shine. It's very odd. It does look lovely, but I didn't want that on my face because that's what I use it on. I use it all over my face, as well as my neck and under my chin and on my chest. Now, I'm going to come up close to the camera because I want you to see my face. Now, the focus is probably going to go off. I'm going to do the best that I can. Try to refocus the camera. There you go. Look at my face. Look at the contour. Look at my skin on my neck and my chest area. Now, to remind you, I am well into my 50s. I know. Hard to admit, but it is the truth. And that's what we're all about, is trying to be transparent with you. Now, I was reluctant to purchase this because I really don't believe in creams. I was very skeptical. But honestly, ladies, this is a miracle. It really does tighten up your skin. I'm going to show you some before and after pictures so that I can prove this to you. Now, this you take, and it's internal, as I mentioned in my previous video. Is this a scam? Beverly Hills MD Dermal Repair Complex and Rapid Lift Advanced Neck Serum. So check out that previous video. I don't think it's a scam anymore. I've taken this for nearly 3 months now, and I have used up 1 entire tube of this. So that takes about 3 weeks, just to let you know. And then I'm so happy that I purchased a second one. I was skeptical at the time, but I thought to myself, what if it actually does work? If it works, I'm going to really kick myself, because apparently it is limited quantity. And so it actually is. You cannot get it on the Beverly Hills MD website. So my belief is this is a wonderful miracle cream. Honestly, to tighten up this area. Look at this area. I don't know if you know, but in my previous video, I was kind of mentioning this area, and I was getting a little disappointed because I was starting to sag. Well, look at me now. Again, I'm well into my 50s. This area starts to sag in through here and through the jowls, as we all know. I'm going to bring you up close again so you can check out my jowls. I'm going to refocus. Look at that, ladies. I mean, it works. It really does. So, do I recommend this? Absolutely, I do. It is not a scam. If you wish, go and purchase this. Check out Beverly Hills MD, their website, and check out to see if they have other creams. I do know that they have other skin tightening creams, but this one in particular is a miracle. I have never used anything like this, and I'm so thrilled. I put it on every single night. I never missed a night. It's called the Rapid Lift Advanced Neck Serum. I'm going to show you it. This is actually a new one. I've actually haven't started using the new one yet. So there is an off and an on button here. So twist it obviously to the on. Then you'll push it slightly here, apply some pressure, and then you can apply the cream. So as I mentioned in my previous video, I apply this cream underneath my chin, along my jowls, along my neck, as well as along my décolleté, I always call it décolleté area, which is just this area. And look how beautiful that is. Right here, and then I put it all over my face. And what I've also noticed is I had this deep line happening underneath my eye area, and it hasn't disappeared, but it's certainly a lot better. And I think it's because of this particular cream. So as I'd mentioned, it does give off this kind of iridescence glow. I don't personally like it for daytime use, but I do use it at night, and it's supposed to be specifically for the neck and the chin area, but I thought, hell, why not give it a try? Try it on my chest and try it all over my face, and voila. I love, love, love this cream, and I really hope that they come back with this wonderful skin tightening cream. If you have it, please use it. You will not be disappointed. If they come back with it, definitely purchase it. Thank you so much for watching Wendy's World, and I'll see you next time on my next tutorial. Right now, I am doing a 30-day challenge. I am videoing my fitness challenge every single day for the past, I know we're on day 9 right now. It's super hot out, but I'm going to jump out and I'm going to do my workout soon, and I will record that. So stay tuned for that video. Again, I'm in my 50s. I'm trying to tighten this area up. Check out my arms. I have definitely seen an improvement because I've been working like really hard every single day for the past 9 days. Thanks so much for joining me in Wendy's World. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll see my next fitness video. Bye for now.